Hi there guys and girls, good evening. As you can see, there are lots of achievements here of Gary V. Trophies, oh gosh, memorabilia, movies, posters. Enjoy it with your bold eyes guys and girls. Magazines, comics, costumes, see that guys and girls, and there's a big one right there. How do you call that thing guys and girls? This one?